Mall owner Klepierre reporting revenue for the first 9 months of 2018 at €1 billion. That was up 2% compared with a year earlier. Joining me now, joining Nara and myself, is Jean-Marc Jestin, the chairman and chief executive of Klepierre. Good to have you with us this morning. I read the BI pieces on your stock and they couldn't be more effusive. You're squeezing rents higher, you're filling spaces. What is the key to your ability to squeeze the retail market in such a way, Jean-Marc? Good morning and welcome.
Good morning. Thank you very much. I think the question is not how we can squeeze. I think the question is how we can help the retailers to enlarge their footprint in Europe. And that's what we are doing at Klepierre. So we have a very large exposure to the main international and national retailers. And when we look at the occupancy in our malls, there are very attractive malls all over Europe. We have more than 120 shopping centers in 12 countries, and the occupancy is 95%. So there is still a very strong appetite from retailers to join us, and we have been able in that environment to grow the rent by 3.1% over the last 9 months, which is another very good year for Klepierre.
Very attractive malls across Europe is what you talk about, Jean-Marc. Good morning, it's Nara in London. You were, of course, attracted by Hammerson in the UK. After Hammerson rejected your bid, are you still keen to acquire assets in the UK?
I think you are very familiar with the topic. So we tried to engage with Hammerson and they refused to engage. So I think this is a story of the past. So we are now focused on our portfolio, and we have a very strong organic growth going forward. So we will focus on that.
So we can take it from that you are no longer interested in any targets. It's about organic growth, and takeovers are off the agenda.
For the time being, yes. And the organic growth is developing and investing in our malls. So I will just tell that we have a €3 billion pipeline to reinvest in our shopping centers.
Yes, so tell me more about that, Jean-Marc. What strategies are you implementing to keep malls thriving if you're focusing on organic growth?
I think the fundamental of our business is to be in the good location. So a good location is a strong catchment area. It's a catchment area over 1 million inhabitants, and we are in cities which are growing in terms of population. This is number one. And I think the number two is that the places we own, they have to be places where people not only come for shopping, but they come for shopping, meeting and connecting. And that's what we are doing. We are doing a little bit more of events, marketing, digital to increase the footfall and to help and to give a reason for the customers to join.
Okay, Jean-Marc, well done on the numbers and the strategy. Jean-Marc Jestin, Chairman and Chief Executive over at Klepierre.